To be a great lawyer, you must know the ins and outs of the rules governing practice and procedure. You will be expected to draft and file your legal documents in a manner that conforms to local and federal court rules. No matter what area of law you're studying or practicing, or whether your focus is transactional or litigation, the rules of civil procedure will always apply. So even if you aren't in a Civ Pro class right now, learning Civ Pro now will help you be a better lawyer in the future. This is Samantha Israel, and today we will go over how to locate and navigate go-to resources for Civ Pro, how to use Courtlink to research cases filed in your court to prepare your case, and finally, how to find sample briefs, pleadings, and motions to help you with your legal writing. By the end of this video, you will definitely be a Civ Pro. You have access to the widely relied upon Wagstaffe Practice Guide on Federal Civil Procedure, which can only be found on Lexis Advance. When you're preparing a motion, writing a brief, or arguing a case, you want to use the treatise that judges use. Wagstaffe's Practice Guide is a great read and a great watch. Every section of this treatise has engaging videos to help you understand the law. Let's log on to Lexis Advance and pull up the Wagstaffe Practice Guide on Federal Civil Procedure. In the search box, begin typing Federal Civil Procedure. The Wagstaffe Guide appears in the word wheel as a source. Click on the title. This is the table of contents with the different chapters and sections displayed. There are a couple ways to search on this page. You can run a search using key terms in the table of contents to find a specific chapter or section, or you can search for your keywords in the documents themselves. For example, let's run a search for Erie Doctrine, then select the radio button for table of contents only. Here we can see that Chapter 3, Section 11 is on Understanding the Erie Doctrine. Let's open this up. Read this section or watch this video by Jim Wagstaffe to hear how he explains and simplifies this complex rule. One of the reasons why this is such a great treatise is because it has over 200 videos. To quickly find a video on your topic, return to the full table of contents page. Scroll down to Appendix B and click to view the list of videos. These videos cover a variety of topics on federal civil procedure, including how to determine proper venue, preparing the complaint, and motion practice and presenting oral arguments. For quick access to these videos in the future, save this appendix to a folder, download it to your computer, or by bookmarking this page in your browser. Get the link by clicking Actions linked to this page at the top of the document. In addition to researching the law, researching your court and client are important skills for an attorney. Courtlink on Lexis Advance gives you access to the industry's largest collection of documents, 189 million dockets, 36.5 million documents with over 100,000 added each week. That's more than any other research platform. To get to Courtlink, use the product switcher tool in the upper left-hand corner. Let's say you've just been assigned to work on a new case that's filed in the Northern District of Illinois. Your firm represents Power Construction on a breach of contract case. Your supervising attorney asked you to research the client and see what their litigation history is like, especially if they've previously been a party to a breach of contract case before. You're also asked to draft a motion to dismiss the count of breach of implied warranty of merchantability. On the Courtlink homepage, you can search court dockets or documents using natural language or terms and connectors for keywords, litigants, and dockets themselves. First, select the source using the drop-down menu. Next, select your jurisdiction. You can search by expanding the different courts or by typing in your jurisdiction. To see a list of all courts covered in Courtlink, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Court Information. Select your jurisdiction and see what courts are covered, how far back the coverage goes, and how often the court information is updated. Let's start researching for our first assignment. Select dockets as the source, type Illinois Northern in the court section, and then select Illinois District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. Below that, in the litigant field, enter in Power Construction in quotation marks. Your results can be refined using the filters on the left to zero in on specific courts, practice areas, timeframes, and much more. Courtlink alerts inform you on newly filed cases involving parties, judges, attorneys, firms, and subject matter of importance to you. Set an alert using the bell icon at the top of your docket or document. Now, on to our second assignment. We will search for motions to dismiss involving breach of contract claims, narrow our results, and review the motions to help us with our own writing. Back on the Courtlink homepage, select the court document source, enter in our jurisdiction, and in the search box, type in breach of contract. Use the Search Within Results tool and enter in construction and implied warranty within the same sentence as merchantability. In the category filter, select motions, and then going back to the search within results tool, type in motion within the same sentence as dismiss. You have 18 motions that deal with the same legal issues you've been asked to research. Use these to help format, structure, and argue your motion. You now know how to access Wagstaffe on Federal Civil Procedure to gain expert guidance on a variety of Civ Pro topics and where to find the Wagstaffe videos when you can't take any more reading. Additionally, you know how to use Courtlink to search court dockets and documents to find additional information on clients or locate a sample motion to help you with your legal writing. Now, use these research skills to complete the Legal Research Challenge quiz and increase your chances of winning the $250 Amazon gift card. Good luck!